wearing trousers today. They're new trousers. My husband won't like them. He won't understand them. I'm going to get some smart aleck comment the minute I walk through the door later on. They sort of like go with me on this, like All Saints, like the band. They're sort of like cargo trousers, but silky. Like if you chucked an All Saints into a mash-up machine with Princess Anne in a ball gown or something, that's what you'd come out with these trousers. Actually, now I'm explaining it, I'm not keen on them myself. Zara says, you know it's summer when your dad keeps saying every 2 minutes, I'll tell you what, it's muggy out there. I'm the same though. Oh, it's close. Oh, it's close. Is it close? It's close today. Samantha says, you know it's summer when you can turn your cardigan off. Samantha, you temptress. Okay, on the other side of this rather fabulous tune, we are going to play 21 questions to go. If you'd like to play, text your name now and the word questions to 88291. It's on the way.